Yahoo! Prof here with some more Pokemon pulls. And today we're doing, like I said in the previous video, the Tag Team Tins. I still have not found the third one that has Pikachu with it. I do, however, have a Celebi and Venusaur to trade for it, though, if anybody's interested. Or if you have any good leads on where I can find one, let me know. These are the spring of 2019 Tag Team Tins. This specific one is, as you can see, it is Eevee and Snorlax GX. And I quite like the card that it comes with. And we're just snapping some quick pictures for my records here. And what this is supposed to have is one of the GX foils, of course, because, you know, that's what you can see right on the front. And then four boosters. One GX marker. We do have one of those, and they're big, heavy, and metal. And a code for online. So, let's get out the old slicey boy here. And slice. I originally thought these Tag Team Tins were actually much newer. I thought they were the new ones that came out for Shining Fates, because I ended up pre-ordering them on Amazon. And in my brain, it was kind of weird that I'd have to pre-order something from 2019. Oh, and we just found a infection on my uncle's laptop. I thought I would do that because I did see some sketchy things in Chrome. Sometimes that's just Chrome, as in like thing add-ons or something they got in Chrome, and other things it's things from outside Chrome that insult stuff in Chrome. And I mean, if I'm going through all this trouble with the hardware and stuff like that, might as well make sure the software is all tuned up too, you know, right? Alright, so pop the top. And I think the whole plastic thing is going to come on in one go. Yep. Here's our empty tin. That's what I'm looking for. I think that's Pikachu and Zekrom, or is it something like that? But that is the one I do not have. I have, as you can see, we're opening the Eevee and Snorlax right now. We just did the Celebi and Venusaur. And, so yeah, if you guys can help me out, appreciate it. These tins seem to be new enough that they use the plastic piece on the back so that you don't end up with bent cards. See? No bend. If you guys are interested in this online code, hit me up on Twitter at @theprophecist, and to get the latest news and stuff for the channel, follow at Tech Exchange the. I'm most active on Twitter. The channel regularly posts on both Twitter and Instagram. I do also post on Instagram. Sometimes it's a bit delayed, though. So here is the GX card that is the namesake of the tin. I think it looks really freaking cool. I like the art. That is a lot of energy. That is something I will say. And tonight again we're drinking some Canada Dry Bold, just because it's a good end of night drink. Here we have our metal GX Tag Team. It's not a coin, a tag. Don't know. I have not played with a GX card yet, so I couldn't even tell you what this is used for. Here's another question. because I've been playing a little bit of the online game because it's free, just to get a handle on the actual play of the game. Like, would there be a reason why? Because it looks like the GX comes from the V in a lot of cases, except that's a tag team card. But then there's the EX cards too. Like, and a lot of these seem to take so long to get to. Like, are they actually viable to play? And like, I guess once you get them, do you just like smash people? I guess I could look that up, but all right, let's see what's in our Eevee and Snorlax Tag Team 10. We have 1 Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, 1 Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, 1 Sun and Moon, and 1 X and Y Steam Siege, which seems rather odd when everything else is Sun and Moon. But, you know, whatever, right? So, let's go in that order since we have the same amount of all of them. First up, Crimson Invasion, which we have opened a couple of these packs before. Ooh, did we do it? Nope. The front separated, like the plastic separates from the foil, which is super duper annoying. Alright. So this is, as I struggle with the pack, Sun and Moon, Crimson Invasion, online card over here. 1, 2, 3 cards to the front. A Alolan Graveler. It's pretty badass art there. I think the Alolan ones are the shocky ones. It's like a rock type that's now electric, which I find interesting. Emolga, Larion, Cubone. He's looking pretty smug there. Look at him walking. Look at his feet. Look at that eye. Salandit. Feebas. Haven't had those 2 cards yet. Carablast. Jangmo. We have a reverse hollow Alolan Marowak. Pretty cool art there. I don't know if it really goes with the reverse hollow though. Ooh, and then we have a hollow. Is it Xerneas? Xerneas, I think, be the correct thing there. And a dark energy. Alright, let's get our sleeves here. And we'll get this Alolan Marowak here. I don't remember Marowak being a fire type. Maybe it's because it's the Alolan one. And they do that weird stuff with those. This one actually looks pretty dope. Proper fairy type card. Well, the battery died and I managed to knock over the camera at the same time. Good times, good times. Let's get this Xerneas in here. Next up, Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Definitely, Crimson Invasion of the Sun and Moons is probably my least common that I've opened, I'd say. Oh, this one did that same thing where it like separates the foil from the plastic. Except on the opposite side. Alright. 1, 2, 3. We have a Whirlipede. A Guzma? Probably Guzma. Ribombi. Definitely have enough Cutieflies. Oddish. Duskull. Morello. Caterpie. Meryl. like that Meryl. Reverse Hollow Alolan Rattata. Ledian. And a Water Energy. Alright, on to the third pack of this tin. A standard Sun and Moon. Definitely done my fair share of these. And I tore it in half. We're just gonna use the knife. I'm resorting to the knife, guys. And gals out there. Knife is quick, but knife is also dirty. Alright. 1, 2, 3. We have a Switch. I have plenty of those from Dex. Boldor. Granbull. I think I have one of those in Hollow. Maybe not from this set, though. Diglett. Look at those little spruty hair there. This one would be fun to have in a Hollow. Dratini. Another one I'd like to see in a Hollow. Sandygast. Morelol. Formantis. Reverse Hollow Ilima. And a Toucannon. And a Grass Energy. Pulls have not been that great tonight, guys. I even have this one already. If I had my cards sorted better, I would know. Alright, and our last pack of this Tag Team Spring 2019 tin is the XY Steam Siege. If only it was an XY Evolutions, you know? I just need to put more of those in there. Oh, look at that. We got a good one. Let's take a pull of this guy here. Not much there, to be truthful. Maybe my schnoz is plugged right now. These are freaking in there. There we go. On my card. 1, 2, 3. Come on, baby. Let's do this. Armor Fossil Shieldon. I think I have that one. Nuzleaf. Pokemon Ranger. Seedot. Ooh. Pawniard. Drifloon. That's a pretty cool Drifloon. Larvesta. Apom. Reverse Hollow Ninja Boy. And a Bastiodon. And that is it. Not even an energy in that one. I think I've mostly struck out this time. Can't have it good every time, you know what I mean? Xerneas is a pretty good pull, but let's just take a look at what we actually got out of here real quick. Alright, a recap before I sign off here. We have the promo card from the box here. The Eevee and Snorlax GX Tag Team card. Then we have the Reverse Hollow Alolan Marowak. Then we have the Xerneas Hollow, which looking at that, especially at that angle, looks pretty freaking dope. Alolan Rattata. Reverse Hollow Ilima, and Reverse Hollow Ninja Boy. Well, guys, hopefully you enjoyed the Pokemon polls here. let me know if there's anything I can improve, and how you think I did on tonight's polls. Maybe what you want to see next. And once again, if you guys have any leads on a good place to buy the Pikachu tin, specifically the one that looks like that one right there, that's the one I'm missing from here, that you trust, let me know down in the comments, or you can always hit me up on Twitter as well. Well, we'll see you next time, and subscribe, like, and hopefully we'll catch you again.